Hi everyone, welcome to Impact Academy. Let us continue with AP Geography. So let us start from 41st question. Which among the following is matched incorrectly? Okay, so let us look at some of these projects. So if we talk about irrigation projects, these are the major irrigation projects in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are some things like which you would see regularly in newspaper, etc. All these things, right? Gundlagamma, Pulichintala, Polavaram project, okay, Godavari, etc., etc. So apart from that, there are so many minor irrigation projects. I mean, medium irrigation and minor irrigation, etc. We've seen all that, right? Greater than 10,000 lakh hectares, 2,000 to 10,000, and less than 2,000. Okay, major, medium, minor, all the we have seen in last class. Now, um, these reservoirs, it is very difficult to remember all at a time. But whenever you see a question or whenever something is in newspaper, etc., try to remember them because they are asked not only in AP geography, they can be asked in economy also and in current affairs also. So in the mains, we have 75 marks in economy, right? So a couple of questions can come from these reservoirs. So try to go through them. And now we are seeing Sanjeevaya, right? Okay. So Sanjeevaya Sagar. And Sanjeevaya Sagar is in, you can see here number 51. Sanjeevaya Sagar project is in Kadapa. Okay, it is on the river Handri. Also, there is a project Handri Niva, right? So, this is in Kadapa. Try to remember that. Okay, where is Kadapa? Okay, Kadapa is here. It is in the center. It's a landlocked district. And uh, Sanjeevaya Sagar is in Kadapa. So, Pedaballi Reservoir is in Anantapur. Try to remember that. Ramatirtham village is there in Vijayanagaram also, but there is a project, Ramatirtham project in Prakasam district also. Try to remember that, okay? Ramatirtham project. And Sadashiva Kona usually they say it is around 25 kilometers from Tirupati normally. So if you look at this, previously all this was Nellore, okay? And Tirupati was a part of Chittoor, I mean the Tirupati major city. So you can say it is part of Tirupati or Nellore. In this case, we said Nellore, so that is also fine. Okay, Sadasiva Kona, there is a waterfall also, I believe, that is around 25 kilometers from Tirupati. So try to remember all these things. Sanjivaya Sagar is Kadapa, Pedaballi is Anantapur, Ramatirtham, there is a village in Vijayanagaram, it is famous for the temple, and also Ramatirtham project is there in Prakasam district. And Sadasiva Kona, Tirupati or Nellore. So Somasila project is very, very important. Okay, we can see that in the major project itself, major irrigation project, and it is frequently in news also, very important. Somasila project is on Penna River and it is in Nellore. Okay, so the Penna River flows like this and it is somewhere here, Somasila project, very important. So Annamaya project, obviously Annamaya. Madhuvalasa is in Srikakulam. Try to remember that also. Let us see where, see here itself it is there. Muddalavalasa or Madhuvalasa, etc. It is on the river Suvarnamukhi. Suvarnamukhi and it is on Srikakulam. And Suvarnamukhi is on, okay, major rivers are here itself. Okay, Suvarnamukhi. See, in the northern, what you say, northern Andhra, north coastal Andhra, you have majorly two rivers, right? Nagavali and Vamshadhara. Both of them originate in the eastern Ghats. Remember, all the other rivers of Andhra Pradesh are originating in the western Ghats, Maharashtra, Karnataka, etc. But Nagavali and Vamshadhara originate in the eastern Ghats itself. And since Suvarnamukhi is the tributary of Nagavali. So, what is he saying? So, Mudduvalasa Reservoir is on the river Suvarnamukhi in the district Srikakulam. Okay, and Ramatirtham, as I said, there is one Ramatirtham in Prakasam project. Ramatirtham village, that is different, that is in Vijayanagaram, but Ramatirtham Reservoir is in Prakasam district. So, try to remember all these things. Somasila, Pennar, Nellore, right? Annamaya is in Annamaya, and Madhulavalasa is in Srikakulam, Suvarnamukhi, which is a tributary of Nagavali, right? Nagavali, which is a tributary of Nagavali, and Ramatirtham Reservoir is in Prakasam district. So what is another name of Pulichintala project? Again, Pulichintala project is frequently in news, right? So it is a major irrigation project only. Pulichintala project is on river Krishna and it caters to Guntur. Okay, Guntur. So somewhere here and Krishna river. Okay, Pulichintala project is here. Try to remember that. And what is he asking? What is another name of Pulichintala project? So Pulichintala project is also called as Kanuri Lakshman Rao project. Basically, KL Rao project. KL Rao is a very famous civil engineer. He was also irrigation minister for some time during the 70s, 80s, etc. And he was also a Padma Bhushan awardee. So it's also very important. And here, Pulichintala project is called as Kanuri Lakshman Rao project. If you look at Indra Sagar is in Madhya Pradesh, right? And it is on Narmada River. And it is the largest by volume. So, which is the largest dam in India? Because we are talking about reservoirs and dams. The largest dam in India is Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand, right? And it is on the river Bhagirathi. And Bhagirathi and Alakananda are two rivers which combine to form Ganga. Okay, all these are very important points. So Indra Sagar is in Madhya Pradesh. Rajiv Sagar is also in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Indra Sagar is on river Narmada, and it is the largest by volume, I think. Okay, Kotla Vijay Bhaskar Reddy is a ex-CM, right? I'm sure everybody is aware of it, right? Kotla Vijay Bhaskar Reddy. But Pulichintala project, okay, which is on, where is Pulichintala? It is on Krishna River. Remember, in Guntur region. That is also called as KL Rao project. So, Vagavati Dam is located in which district? So, remember, most importantly, I mean, the rivers, try to remember the rivers, you will get most of it. And we are looking at Vedavati, right? Vedavati, Vagavati, etc. It is on Nagavali. Okay, Nagavali and Vamsadhara are two prominent rivers of the North Andhra region. And Vedavati is a tributary of Nagavali. So, in the question, if you observe, West Godavari is a little bit below, Nellore is in the southern part of Andhra Pradesh, and Kadapa is in Rayalaseema. So, roughly, you can say that Vagavati is a tributary of Nagavali. So, among the given options, you can clearly make out it is Vijayanagaram. Okay, if Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Parthipuram, Madhyam, etc. is there, it would have been difficult. But in this case, you can easily make out it is Vijayanagaram. So, in which year was the construction of Kurnool Kadapa Canal concluded? So, it is 1866. If you can remember, it's fine. Otherwise, not a big problem. But try to remember, Kurnool Kadapa Canal was the construction was concluded in 1866. An offshore reservoir is located in which district? So in Srikakulam, you have an offshore reservoir at Regulapadu village in Palasa. Okay, Palasa is one of the revenue division of Srikakulam, right? In Palasa, there is a village called Regulapadu where there is an offshore reservoir. Okay, an offshore reservoir is located in Srikakulam. And try to see in the other options also if there is any major reservoir. Okay, so which among the following statement is true regarding Kurnool Kadapa Canal? So we've already seen the construction was completed by 1866 and it was started in 1853 by Madurai Irrigation Company. Okay, and canal starts from Tungabhadra Dam at Sunkesla of Kurnool. So just see in Kurnool if there are any other major projects. Okay, so Sri Sailam also is there on Krishna River. It also benefits the Kurnool district. Okay, when you say Kurnool and Nandyal, all that major project is Sri Sailam project. And little bit forward, if you go, you have Nagarjuna Sagar project. Both are on Krishna River. See, Krishna River, it comes from Telangana, from Karnataka, etc. It comes like this, and it follows the boundary of Andhra Pradesh most of the time. Okay, so it passes through this Kurnool, Nandyal, all like this, and here it cuts and then comes and deposits in Bay of Bengal at Hamsala Devi. So, so all that is very important. Remember, okay, where it starts, Krishna in Mahabaleshwar, right? Mahabaleshwar, and it ends at Amsala Devi here. So all that is very important. Canal starts from Tungabhadra Dam at Sunkesula of Kurnool district. So all the above, correct. We have already seen Madhula Valasa. It was built across which river? We have seen it is in Srikakulam. Okay, in Srikakulam means mostly Nagavali or Vamsadhara, and you have only Vamsadhara has one major tributary, Mahendragiri, and Nagavali has Swarnamukhi, Vedavati, Ottigadda, and Janjavati. So in this case, Madhula Valsa project is in Srikakulam. You can make out it is in Suvarnamukhi. Okay, because all the others are what is Bahuda is in Orissa. Okay, Bahuda, I mean majorly it is in Orissa, and Munneru. Let us see Munneru also. Where is Munneru? Manjira, all this Godavari, Munneru is in Krishna. Okay, Munneru is a tributary of Krishna. Okay, it is a left bank of tributary of Krishna. So look here, where is Munneru? It is here. So it is near to Andhra only. Okay, but it is in the Krishna region. That means not in the Godavari region. So Madhul Valasa we know is in Srikakulam. So it is in the northern part. So you can make out it is Suvarnamukhi. Suvarnamukhi is a tributary of Nagavali. Fine. Suvarnamukhi is a tributary of Nagavali. So which district is in first place in productivity of paddy? So East Godavari, we know the Godavari basin is very fertile and always comes frequently in number one position in rice production. So production and productivity are two things. Production, you can talk about I mean the area or number of tons of paddy, etc. That is production. Productivity is within one unit of area, how much efficiently you are producing. Okay, so keep that in mind. Production means the number of actual quantity that is produced. Productivity is the efficiency with which you are producing. So in productivity, East Godavari comes in first place. Which district has highest cultivation of sugarcane in Rayalaseema region? So in the Rayalaseema region, sugarcane is mostly cultivated in Chittoor region. Okay, so there is a regional. Let us see just districts boundaries. So regionally, just have a look. So these are industries, and these are the what you say major industries. Shipyard, okay, Vishaka Steel Plant, BHPV, Bharat Heavy Plates, Hindustan Zinc, and Hindustan Petroleum. All these are in Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is a industrially developed city, right? It has the highest density also. Remember that. Fertilizers Corporation is in Aeroportla. Fine. And if you look at the other industries, handloom industry is mostly in Guntur, Venkatagiri, Madavaram, etc. Okay, Kalamkari items, Machilipatnam. Lances, Palakollu and Narsapuram. Lances means it's a type of what is a weapon or something like the sword or something like that, right? Coconut fiber, obviously, Konaseema, East Godavari, lot of coconuts will be there. And bangles and beads, okay? Papana Gudupeta, Ajulapalli, Srikalahasti, this is in near Chittoor, right? And Simhachalam. Bobbili Veena is famous, it has a GA tag also. Pitapuram, Parvatipuram, Jagaipata, they are all famous for musical instruments. Okay, mats, Nellore, ivory goods, Visakhapatnam, lag goods and toys, 80 Kopaka and Visakhapatnam. Toys, when it comes to toys, you have 80 Kopaka and Kondapalli, right? And look at all these things, silk industry. You have Dharmavaram, Uppada is in Shivakakulam, Dharmavaram is in Anantapur, right? And we can also look at what you say the GI tags also. Those are also very important. This is list of important cotton textile mills. The Rai Durgam cotton mill is in Anantapur. Okay, Kurnool. You can see that Most of them are in Rayalaseema, right? In Rayalaseema region, lot of cotton textiles are there, and you can see. Just go through all these things, you will get a brief idea. Fine. So anyway, so which district has the highest cultivation of sugarcane in Rayalaseema region? So it is Chittoor. Next, which district is in the first place in production and area of cultivation of groundnuts? Okay, in Anantapur. So remember that cultivation of groundnuts, first position is Anantapur. Next, which district is in first place in production of sesame crop? Okay, sesame means till, that is Nuvulu and Vijayanagaram. Try to remember all these things. When it comes to cultivation of groundnut, Anantapur, and sesame is Vijayanagaram. And where is the banana research center located in AP? So both Anantarajupeta and Kovvuru. Okay, try to remember this. Anantarajupeta and Kovvuru. Both the locations have banana research centers. So where is the North Coastal Region Agricultural Center located? So agriculture center, let us look at it. Agriculture zones, if you look at this, see, Krishna Godavari Regional Agricultural Zone, Krishna and Godavari. Okay, both Western East Godavari, Krishna and Guntur region come under this zone. Its regional agricultural research center is in Lam, Guntur. Okay, when we are talking about Krishna Godavari region, it is in Lam, Guntur region. Very important, frequently asked question. And if we are talking about Northwest Regional Agricultural Zone, so Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam, Visakhapatnam, okay, ASR, Parthipuram, Manyam, etc., all those things. For them, the agricultural research, agricultural research center is in Anakapalli. Okay, in the northern part, it is in Anakapalli. In the Krishna Godavari basin, it is in Guntur. Okay, Lam, Guntur. And if you are looking at southern part of Andhra and Rayalaseema, okay, Nellore, Chittoor, Kadapa, Prakasam, etc., then it is in Tirupati. Okay, and for low rainfall zone, that is in the western part of Rayalaseema, Kurnool, Anantapur, West Prakasam, North Western Kadapa, etc., agriculture center is located in Nandyal. And also for tribal zone it is in Chintapalli, so Vijayanagara, Visakhapatnam, etc. So where it is? One thing is in Lam Guntur. Okay, in this Guntur region, Lam Guntur one is there, and uh, you have Anakapalli, Tirupati, Nandyala, Chintapalli. Remember that. So one in Nandyala, one in Tirupati, one in Anakapalli, okay, and Chintapalli. Where is Chintapalli? It's in the tribal region. So somewhere here. Chintapalli, somewhere here. So where is the North Coastal Regional Agricultural Center located? So he's saying about North Coastal region. Fine. So North Coastal region means you can say Anakapalli is northwest. Okay, Anakapalli is northwest, and this is proper coastal region, right? Krishna Godavari region is proper coastal region. So within the options, he's saying Lam Guntur. So remember that. Regional Agricultural Center in the North Coastal region is Lam Guntur. Frequently asked question, remember that. And there is a Agricultural Research Center in Anakapalli also, along with Nandyala, Chintapalli, and Tirupati. So Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is built across which river? I'm sure everyone knows this. Nagarjuna Sagar is on River Krishna. Okay, and it benefits the district. It is in the part of Guntur and Nellore. Guntur and Nellore. What is this? Nalgonda. Sorry, not Nellore. Nalgonda. So it is here. Okay, Guntur and Nalgonda. So somewhere here. Nagarjuna Sagar project. Srisalem will be here, right? Srisalem will be here, and Nagarjuna Sagar will be here. Nagarjuna Sagar is also famous for the Nagarjuna Sagar Tiger Reserve. Okay, keep all that in mind. So where is the Fisheries Technological Organization located? So obviously it will be in coastal area. So it is in Kakinada. Fisheries Technological Organization is located in Kakinada. So where was the Research Center for Protection of Land Fertility located? So Research Center for Protection of Land Fertility is both in Anantapuram and Vijayawada. So try to remember that. So where is the Research Center of Oil Technology located? Okay, land fertility is Anantapur and Vijayawada. Research Center for Oil Technology is in Anantapuram. So try to remember that. Which district is at first place in the production and reserve of iron ore? Okay, so if you look at Rayalaseema region, it is more famous for the uh, all kinds of iron ores, etc. So let us look at some of the mineral wealth of Andhra Pradesh. Let us look at where is the minerals industries, CA tax, irrigation projects, oils, power and energy, wildlife sanctuaries, rivers. So let us look at mines and minerals of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So look at this. Barrettes is frequently asked question. Okay, Barrettes of Mangapeta, which is in Kadapa. Okay, it has the one of the highest and perhaps the only location where barrettes are available. I think so. That's why it is frequently asked. Remember this, barrettes of Mangapeta. Okay, barrettes of Mangapeta, which are from Kadapa. And bauxite Vishakhapatnam, I'm sure everyone is aware in the especially in the hill tribal areas, okay, of Araku, Anantagiri, etc. So it will also come under ASR district. But in general, when you say bauxite, you say Vishakhapatnam, and most prominently the hill areas, okay, the Chintapalli, Domakondlu in East Godavari, etc. So all these are important. Felspar, Nellore. Nellore is also famous for mica. Okay, look here. Nellore is one of the largest producer of mica. Remember that Nellore, especially the Gudur variety of mica. This is one frequently asked question. And look at Anantapur. See iron ore. Iron ore is majorly found in Anantapur, Kadapa. Okay. So garnite in Srikakulam. So just go through all these things. And also Prakasam granites are very famous. Okay. The Galaxy granite of Prakasam, Chemakurti. Okay, in Prakasam, this is also very frequently asked question. And the monazite sands. Okay, the monazite sands of Vishakhapatnam are also very important because they contain what you say, I think thorium or uranium, just cross it, but they are also very important. Okay, monazite sands, they contain thorium reserves, I believe, not uranium, thorium. Okay, these are the major minerals and the areas. So iron ore, if you look at it, it's made in Obalapuram, okay, Siddhapuram, mostly in Anantapur. Okay, Anantapur is famous for iron ore. Also, Anantapur has Vajra Karur. Okay, that is a diamond mine. Okay, Vajra means diamond, right? So Vajra Karur is a diamond mine in Anantapur. Betam Cherla, Kalluru in Karnool, Pendlimarri, Marlapadu in Prakasham. So basically, in Anantapur and Prakasam region, you have iron ore. That will be here. Okay, this Anantapur and Prakasam. Previously, all this was Anantapur, right? So in this region, you have a lot of iron ores. So which district is at first place in the production and reserves of iron ores? Okay, that is Anantapur. Also, let us see Karnool, Kadapa, and Krishna. Right? What are the minerals that are found in Karnool, Kadapa? Any check for see in Kadapa you have asbestos. Okay, in Kadapa you have barracks, Mangapeta barracks, asbestos, Kadapa, and you have dolomite. Okay, dolomite, Karnool, Anantapur, Kadapa, etc. And look here, we have in iron ores, okay, in Anantapur, etc. And you have copper also. Guntur Agnigundala is also very famous. Okay, Guntur Agnigundala mines are also very famous for copper, and you have limestone in Betamcherla, Koilkuntla, Kadapa, Karnool. Okay, so Rayalaseema is well endowed with a lot of mineral resources, and the income from mines and minerals is the highest among non-direct taxes of Andhra Pradesh. Try to remember that also. Also, see Naparalu, okay, some kind of stone, and Chittur Prakasam. Okay, granite is very famous in Prakasam also. Okay, Galaxy granite. This is frequently asked. Black granite is famous in Chittur. Okay, try to note down all these things and go through multiple times. Okay, fine. Which mineral is used for the production of stainless steel? Okay. See, hematite is a form of iron ore, right? Iron ore, hematite, and one more ferrous oxides, all those things. And chromite is the mineral that is used in the production of stainless steel. Remember this. In order to produce stainless steel, chromite is used. Okay, fine. So we'll stop here and continue with the next set of questions in the next session. Thank you.